A ball is tossed straight upward. The initial velocity is 80 feet per second, and that's tossed from the rooftop 12 feet above the ground. Okay, so it's tossed upward from the rooftop. The height is described by the function h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 80t plus 12 in seconds and t. And the height above the ground is the 80 feet. That's where it manifests itself in the equation at 80t. Find the maximum height above the ground. So solution. For the solution, let's not complete the square. Let's try this other method we have for getting the equation in the standard form of a quadratic function. We have h of t equals at squared plus bt plus c, which is equal to negative 16t squared plus 80t plus 12, which means a is equal to negative 16, b is 80, and c is 12. And that means that the a value, which is negative, is a negative number, so that means we have a sad face parabola and our vertex is going to be negative, upside down, sad face, and our vertex is going to be a maximum point. That's what I'm trying to say, a maximum point. And it's h, the function evaluated at negative b over 2a. Let's figure out what it is. Well, let's see. The b value was the 80, so it's negative 80 over 2 times the a value, which is negative 16. And that simplifies to h of 2 times 2 times 20 over 2 times 2 times 8. And we cancel and get h of 5 halves when we simplify this fraction. So let's evaluate h at 5 halves. We get negative 16 times 5 halves squared plus 80 times 5 halves plus 12. Cancel a common factor of 2 in the middle term. We get negative 16 times 25 fourths, okay, plus 40 times 5 plus 12. We can cancel a 4 in the first term. Negative 4 times 25 plus 200 plus 12 is equal to negative 100 plus 200 plus 12. That's 112 feet. 112 feet is the maximum height. So once again, the format that we followed here was, we said we're going to evaluate the function in h of t in such a way, well, we're going to take h of t, identify the a, b, and c, recognize that the a value is negative, so we have an upside down parabola, which means the vertex is the highest point, so the y coordinate represents the maximum height. To find the maximum height, we evaluate the h function at negative b over 2a, because that is the y coordinate for the vertex. So we figured out what negative b over 2a was, and we ran that number through the h of t function and came up with a number for our maximum height, 112 feet. Now listen, if that a value had been positive instead of negative, that would not be a maximum height, that would have been a minimum height. So you have to identify whether you have a max or a min for the vertex before you can answer the question.